Howdy, folks. It's Hansom, and today we got a good one for y'all today. But before we get into this, hit that like, hit that subscribe, shoot your boy a super thanks. I don't know, leave a comment. Let's keep it rolling. Alrighty. But today we have a Sony G Master 70-200 version 2. Since lenses have been created, this has been an issue, and it is the good old filter mount. This one is just cracked right here, and it's all the way through, and this person cannot get a filter on. I know some of y'all are like, who uses filters? Well, I guess you could say professionals use filters. Filters can make a slew of a difference. I don't even know if that was the right terminology. I just wanted to use that word for some reason. And if I'm not mistaken, I haven't even really messed with this lens yet. I didn't look at any diagrams. I just going off of the original version. And it's not looking too good. Well, for me at least. I'm missing something. Thanks, Billy, for missing the part. So let's just go ahead and knock this out. A5040536A. That is the part number for the filter screw assy. Be loving that assy. This is on Encompass. You can get this. Anybody can buy this off Encompass. I just can't get it for my price. You know what I mean? Let's just go ahead and look at this part quick. Alright, so it's looking like you got some screws up in there. You got one piece that's metal, and the rest is plastic. We doing tools of the day? Buy my tools. My link right there. So, cross point screwdrivers. Got your curved tweezers, straight tweezers. I sell these tools now in kits, in singles, in chucks, in dives, in rides. Alright, we need to get this done. So, where's Spud? Billy? Spud. Got him. You have some tape right here. We are going to there's gotta be a hole, man. I'm just gonna take it all the way off. Don't stop me, ladies. Alright. So you can already see where that is. That is going to be a hole. Remember that. So it looks like you're gonna have another one not too far from it. That looks cracked as well. I'm not gonna mess with it. Yeah, might have to fish some plastic out. Another one. Oh no. It's pretty cool weather sealing. Good job, Sony. Yeah. I'm proud of y'all. I really am. I've been watching y'all grow throughout the years. I'm really not that proud. I'm just joshing. So we are going to line up and reset these screws. So that piece that I thought that was broken off, it was not. That's why we didn't have to go fishing. Just letting y'all know. There will be that one comment. You said you had to go fishing. You never went fishing. Because I don't know how to fish. Never caught a fish. I've been fishing, but I've never caught a fish. Don't forget to put back your awesome tape that helps weather seal and dust proof your fantastic Mark II. Dun dun dun. Not a big fan of these. Going on, get you right back on that, boy. Come back. For real. Alright, so we have that on. Brand new filter ring. Really, that's about it, y'all. Can't complain about that. Didn't waste y'all's time. Made it quick, fast, in a hurry. We put it in and we pulled it out. That's what we did. Yeah, that is how we do that. This is the version 2. Go get your own. This is actually way better autofocus. Really light. Doing a great job. Sony. Come on. It's a two-way road. All right, y'all. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Holler at your boy, leave a comment. And y'all know the drill. Until next time, don't break nothing.
I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, y'all. I'm no joke.